Hello guys, Ulefone is getting ready to launch its latest powerhouse, the Armor Pad 5 Ultra. The main highlight of this device is built-in projector, a truly rare feature of the tablet world. With a 200 lumens of brightness, it allows you to project movies, presentations or any kind of content almost anywhere, on the wall, screen or even inside the tent while camping. Combined with a handle that doubles as a stand, this feature alone makes the Armor 5 Ultra stands out both practical and exciting in real-world use. Powering a massive 24,200 battery, on the rugged body you will find the dual versatile LED camping lights and the dual warning lights useful in dark environments or emergency situations. The tablet also packs 64 megapixel night vision sensor capable of capturing clear shots even in complete darkness. With IP69K and MIL-STD-810H certifications, the tablet is drop resistant, waterproof and dustproof, built to survive the toughest conditions. It also features the uSmart extension port, compatible with accessories like endoscope, turning this tablet into a true all-in-one tool. And once again, this portable projector deserves a special mention: practical, fun and ready to use anywhere you go, and all purchase links can be found below this video, so hurry up, stay tuned, bye.